This flowering plum tree was hit by a drunk driver approximately 5-6 years ago, and it was blown apart into 3 or 4 different directions. And I just want to show you how it is still thriving and healthy after we put several threaded rods through this guy. So you can see here, there's 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 different threaded rods that we put in this guy to hold it back together, and the tree's doing great. So it's been rehabbed, restored, and perfectly healthy again after it was cracked apart and fallen over.